Number 10, let's get the equation of the line that passes through the point 5, 2 and is perpendicular to the line 3y minus x equals 9. And we want slope-intercept form. So I'm definitely going to need the slope. No matter which form they ask you for, you're going to need the slope of your line. So first, let's analyze this line that they've given us. Let's find the slope of this line and see what we can do with that. In order to find the slope, I need to be in y equals mx plus b form, which is slope-intercept form, and m would be my slope. So that's where I am, right? I need to get this in y equals mx plus b form. I need to isolate y. So I'll do that. 3y, that's 0, equals x plus 9. Divide by 3. I will divide each term by 3 separately. So y equals 1 over 3x plus 3. Here's the slope of this line. The slope of this line is 1/3. That's this line here that they've given us. But the line that we want, our line, the slope of our line should be 1 that represents a line being perpendicular to this one. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals. So change the sign from positive to negative and reciprocate or flip that fraction to be -3. This is the slope of my line that we're going to be using as another ambulance rolls down 59th Street. Right? This is the slope of our line. If we said parallel instead of perpendicular, you would use the exact same slope. Parallel lines have the same slope, have equal slopes, but unequal y-intercepts. Perpendicular lines have slopes that are negative reciprocals of one another. Okay, so now we want the equation of the line that passes through this point and has a slope of -3. And we want that in a slope-intercept form. There's 2 ways to get that. 2 ways you can do that. You can start with point slope and get that slope-intercept, or you can start with slope-intercept form. It's your choice. Point slope form, y minus y1 equals m, the slope, times x minus x1. And my point will be x1, y1. So y minus 2 equals -3, my slope, times x minus 5. I'll distribute. Y minus 2 equals -3x plus 15. Add 2 to both sides of this equation. Y, cancel, equals -3x plus 17. There's the equation of my line in slope-intercept form. Slope is -3, y-intercept is 17. Let's say you wanted to use slope-intercept form. That's the one you remember, that's the one you want to use. In that case, my point will be xy. 2 equals -3 times 5. And in this case, we're finding the y-intercept. We're trying to find this value here. So 2 equals -15 plus b, as another ambulance rolls down 59th Street. All right. We're solving for b. So b equals 17. And if b equals 17, we can write the equation just like on the left side. Y equals mx plus b form. That's my slope-intercept form. Y equals -3x plus 17. We get the same equation, same form as we got before. So 2 ways you can think about that.